Corvette is America's performance icon, a world-class sports car with the emphasis on sports. It's all about horsepower and torque, about acceleration, top speed, G-forces, and going flat out through a decreasing radius reverse camber curve. It's setting a new benchmark for cutting-edge technology. It's all about style. Anyone who loves automobiles most likely remembers the first Corvette they ever saw. With Corvette, you get a design that's so distinctive, so impressive and impactful, it's simply unforgettable. Remarkable performance, handling, acceleration, fuel economy, and interior quietness all benefit from Corvette's advanced performance-based exterior design. And a stunning look. It's obvious there's tremendous feeling and passion in the design. Leaner, expressive, precise. And there's segment-leading cargo volume. And up front, Corvette's fixed headlamps dramatically improve brightness and visibility. Their low, sleek profile contributes significantly to the front end's striking appearance. All around the exterior, there are little things that contribute to Corvette's stunning appearance and dramatically effective aerodynamics. From the simply astonishing fit and finish of all panels, doors, glass, and deck lids, to the low, sleek stance and swooping fenders, this Corvette is a head-turning, crowd-pleasing, all-American world-class sports car in the truest sense of the words.
It's a great halo brand for Chevrolet. Its performance is really unprecedented in the marketplace, the styling, the value, and it has a great kind of halo effect for all of our other brands in the Chevrolet lineup. It's very important because it represents the best that America offers, the best American sports car that's on the road today. We think actually the best sports car in the world.
This DVD offers you an overview on a number of key features that will significantly enhance your driving enjoyment. With Corvette, there's a long-standing tradition of excellence. And to help us better explore the great history and superior legacy of the Corvette, we'll be showcasing your new Corvette against the historical backdrop of the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Well, the National Corvette Museum is the mecca for all Corvette enthusiasts. It's the home. We like to think of it as family. And the thing that has set this apart has been the number of Corvette enthusiasts that have become part of this family. It's more than just the car. It's the Corvette family, the Corvette lifestyle, and they have made this museum what it is today. Well, the museum is unique in that it was started by individual Corvette owners and Corvette enthusiasts. And I think that's what makes it unique, in that it's the only museum that's dedicated to a single car, a dedicated mark, and it's still maintained by Corvette owners and Corvette enthusiasts from all over the world. Our membership has grown to over 28,000. In 1996, we were at 1,620. We think that's pretty remarkable, but at the same time, as we look to the future, and we think that there's 1.3 million Corvettes out there, and 3 or 4 times that number that have owned Corvettes or want to own Corvettes, then we see our future is just having tremendous opportunity for us.
I take museum delivery as probably the most perfect delivery that you can probably get. And so really I tell them, I said, if you take museum delivery, it doesn't get much better than that. You can come in, you can see your car, you can walk around it, touch, feel it, check everything out. And if it's not perfect to your satisfaction, it will be before you leave.
We actually get the car here about a week before they're here, prep the car, do all the cleanup, shine up, get it ready, actually place it on the floor inside the museum the day you're coming. We then will meet the customer at the door and say our hellos. Then we'll take them to the factory and do a private factory tour, showing them how the car was actually built, how it was put together, basically from start to finish. The tour is about 2.5 to 3 hours long. Then we bring you back to the museum and we do a private tour of the museum, which could be an hour or an hour and a half, depending on questions. We try to make sure we tell everything you want to know. On the tour of the museum, you'll see your car on display, maybe for the first time. And then we actually take you to the car and we do a hands-on presentation, sit you in the car, tell you how to set the radio, how to work the cruise, how to do the navigation system. We actually show you all those programs while we're doing the car. And again, depending on questions, can be an hour or more. We'll actually then take the car outside after some paperwork we have to do and take a picture, develop the picture for you, give you your copies, shake your hand, and watch you drive off in the sunset.
By the way, in the owner manual, you will find a trial membership card. It's a card about yay big, features the museum's spire on it, and it offers new Corvette owners the opportunity to become a member of the museum for 1 year free. So they get all the advantages of being a member, and it gives them an opportunity to build a relationship with us. We have over 28,000 members, and that's really the lifeblood of the museum, what keeps us going. So we invite all new Corvette owners to fill out the card, send it in, and find out what the museum is all about. The museum's website is www.corvettemuseum.com. It's the perfect place to find out everything about Corvette. We are the gateway to all things Corvette. You can find an online Corvette store, virtual tour, highlights of all of our events, a little bit of information about the Corvette as far as technical information, and you can sign up to receive our NCME news, which is our electronic newsletter that folks can get weekly.
But Corvette's impeccable history isn't our only reason to be proud. We also take an enormous amount of pride in everything new that we do when it comes to this outstanding American icon. And to really understand the care and dedication of the people who work to build this amazing road machine, we're also going to be providing you with exclusive insider images from within the very heart of the birthplace of every new Corvette, the Bowling Green Assembly Plant.
Our employees are probably the most dedicated car builders that you'll find probably anywhere. Many of them, that's all they know is Corvette. Some of them, they came from other locations because they heard about Corvette and they heard about the culture that exists. They heard about the camaraderie, they heard about the customers, and so they wanted to come to work here in Bowling Green. So what we've found is that once they come to work here, they usually adapt quite well. Their whole spirit about work changes because, as you well probably know, our customers come visit us. They come to see the product being built, and our employees, they enjoy that. They like people looking and admiring their work. They like people saying, "That's my car."
So, if you're as charged up as we are about your new Corvette, and if you're ready to get right to it, we'll start with a brief look at your Corvette's exterior design and give you some tips on operating your convertible top or on removing the roof panel if you're driving a coupe.